Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Maps and confirming location is on. This lets Maps pinpoint you precisely. Once done, tap Directions, type or speak your destination, and pick Driving. This switches routing to road rules, estimated time, and traffic. Make sure to choose now or set a departure time if you plan ahead. That changes routing for expected congestion. You do this so Maps calculates realistic ETA and suggests lanes, tolls, and quicker alternatives while you focus on driving. Next, review the alternative route's Google presence and compare ETA, distance, and toll indicators. The colored traffic lines explain delays so you can pick faster roads. Then, tap the three-dot menu to avoid tolls, highways, or ferries and add multiple stops. This is how you control cost and preferences. Once set, preview the turn-by-turn list or use Street View to confirm tricky intersections. Doing this reduces surprise maneuvers and helps you recognize landmarks before you arrive. Press Start and follow voice guidance while your phone is mounted. This keeps your eyes on the road. If you miss a turn, Maps will recalculate automatically. Allow it a moment, then accept the new route or pick another suggestion if traffic worsens. If GPS drifts or guidance lags, toggle location, close and reopen the app, or restart the phone. These steps reset GPS locks. Finally, if you expect no signal, download an offline map before you leave so navigation continues without data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.